Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. Now, in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to transfer a website from one location to another location. See, here I am using one domain itself, GWiz itself, but still the location is different, like GWiz /New Aurora College. Here, the plain WordPress website has been installed, WordPress instance has been installed. Here the theme is 2022, I guess. So here I have installed Astra theme. So this is a different website, just a case scenario. Just for the demo purpose, I have barely installed a new theme called Astra. And let's consider this is one website under Tapasya College WordPress. It is one website, and this is New Aurora College website. This is another website, right? Let's say here from website is this one, Tapasya College. Tapasya College. And to website is what? New Aurora College. New Aurora College. Perfect. So right now, for this video purpose, I have created two folders in the same domain, and then I'm transferring from one location to another location. But you can apply it for the completely different domains as well, from server 1 to server 2. The same process, whatever I'll be showing in this video, right? So yeah. So for that, what you need to do, first thing is, whenever you transfer website from one location to another location, or one server to another server, what you need first is from website. We call from website and to website. That's right here, from which you are transferring, and to the place where you are transferring is called as to website. So first thing is, you need to have a WordPress username and password for the from website. In the sense, from Tapasya College, I need to transfer the files, right? So I need a WordPress credentials for this from website. And then for to website, in the sense like the new location in which you want to migrate to that place, for that server you need extra details like cPanel or FTP credentials. cPanel, if you are selecting, in this video I'll be showing how to do it from cPanel. So first thing is, you need destination URL, second is server IP address, and third thing is cPanel username and cPanel password. If you don't know these details, you will not be able to migrate the website. For these credentials, to whom you need to contact? You need to contact the server hosting provider, or you can log into the cPanel and check. So if you don't know cPanel username and password, what you will do? You will directly go to your client and ask, hey, give me this credentials, or just go to your web hosting provider and ask them to provide the credentials, so that they will provide you, right? Once you have these details, then you will go to your WordPress admin, username and password you will be having, right? So what I'll do here, so this website is what I need it under Aurora College. This plain default theme should go, and this Astra theme should be implemented automatically. So it is not a populated one, it is just a starter theme, just now I installed before this video, so you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, the concept is what you need to focus on. So first thing is, I'll go to dashboard and install my plugin. What is the plugin that I'll need? I'll click on add new, and I'll need a plugin called as Migrate Guru. And here you click on install now and activate it. Once it is activated, you just need to enter your email address and agree to the conditions and click on migrate site. Just note that this is a from website in which we are trying to migrate, and here you will have option to select cPanel and FTP. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do it from cPanel. I'll click on cPanel. So what is the destination site URL? So destination site URL is this one, New Aurora College. So I'll just select all and copy and paste it over here. What is the server IP address? Server IP address is, I need to check. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly log in first. I'll just quickly log into this cPanel and see what is the IP address. Because I know cPanel username and password, I can check the IP address. But if you don't know cPanel username password, you'll have to contact your hosting provider and get the IP address. Shared hosting, this is the IP address. Perfect. So I'll copy the IP address. I'll close this one, and I'll just copy this one to just verify later. So this is how it is looking right now. Before migration, this is how the destination server looks like. And now what you need to do, destination site URL, IP address, cPanel username, cPanel password. That's it. And click on migrate. See, one thing is, first let's validate the details. Perfect. So we have validated the credentials, and then now the process has to get completed. Very soon it will get completed. Let's wait. It is getting transferred from ekwebinars/Tapasya College to ekwebinars.com/New Aurora College. From Tapasya College to New Aurora College, it is getting transferred. See how fast it is getting transferred. It was saved. Anyways, so once you enter these details correctly, cPanel username, password, server IP, and destination server URL, this is how it will look. And just wait for the migration to get completed so that you can go ahead and see your new website getting populated over here. Let's wait. So perfect. So we have successfully migrated from this source called Tapasya College, and the destination server is New Aurora College, right? So once the website migration is completed, you will get this screen, and also you'll be getting in this email as well that website migration has been successfully completed. And then what you need to do, you just click this green button over here, and you'll be taken to the destination server. See the New Aurora College folder. So we transferred successfully from Tapasya College domain to New Aurora College domain, right? Successfully. So this is it. This is the process that you can import website from one domain to another domain, or one server to another server. Yeah, so I think you understood the whole concept of how this migration, and this process of migration is very foolproof. That 99% of the chances is you don't face any errors. The only thing is that you need to have the credentials right with you. If you have these credentials right and WordPress installed in the destination server in the location, then perfect. This process will be working very fine. Still, if you have any questions, or if you have doubts or something that is not clear in this video, then please let me know in the comment section below, or you can ask me direct questions in the discussion forum, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next module or next course. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day.